Then the serum concentration of which of the following hormone is most likely decreased by administration of this agent? Okay, an investigator studying regulation of adrenal hormone synthase in rats. The investigator takes serum concentration of different hormones before and after intravenous administration of metyrapone. Metyrapone inhibits adrenal 11-beta hydroxylase. The serum concentration of which of the following hormone is most likely to be decreased after administration of metyrapone? Okay, metyrapone inhibits conversion of 11-deoxycortisol to cortisol. 11-deoxycortisol to cortisol through the inhibition of 11-beta hydroxylase enzyme. Okay, the right option is here epinephrine. The right answer is epinephrine. Okay, why? Because cortisol enhances the activity of enzyme that converts norepinephrine to epinephrine. What is the name of enzyme? I said previously, phenylethylamine N-methyl transferase. This enzyme activity can be increased, can be enhanced by cortisol. And this enzyme also requires SAM, S-A-M, S-adenosyl methionine as a cofactor. When there is deficiency of cortisol, but when there is metyrapone inhibits the formation of cortisol, the formation of epinephrine will also go down. The epinephrine will decreases. The right option is epinephrine. The remainder, norepinephrine, is the byproduct of norepinephrine. Okay, when there's inhibition of epinephrine formation, the backward pathway, the backward steps will increase. Norepinephrine, dopamine, dopa, everything will increase. The right option is here epinephrine. Why? Again, I want to tell you this one. It's here. The cortisol enhances this step, the last step of catecholamine formation, increase the activity of this enzyme, which is called phenylethylamine N-methyl transferase, which converts norepinephrine to epinephrine. When there is no cortisol, there will be less activity of this enzyme and less formation of epinephrine. But the remainder will be high. Norepinephrine, dopamine, dopa, tyrosine, phenol, everything will be high. The remainder.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.